The best investment I've ever made, by far, is learning to generate income online. My mother's expensive sickness urged me to change the way I earn money. It was a blessing in disguise. If you are in a similar situation today, looking for ways to increase your income, educate yourself on the digital opportunities. Press on the Learn More button to receive the free workshops that will teach you how to generate income online. I can still vividly recall how miserable and useless I felt seeing my mom suffer with poor health and me not being able to provide for her. I realized this was not a one-time problem. I didn't have any buffer for the unexpected costs, and my salary wasn't going to provide for this in the foreseeable future. Can you relate to this? I know many of my friends can. And to be honest, this doesn't feel right at all, does it? I mean, we trade all our time for a salary that is just enough to keep us alive. I mean, our parents lived like that, but we have more choices today. Did you know that you can easily secure your income online? You can start small on the site like I did and follow a proven framework step by step in your own pace. See it for yourself. Click on the link below that will take you to my website. Leave your contact details so that I can send you the free workshops that got me started back then. Of course, I was skeptical at the beginning. I thought you have to be somebody special to be an entrepreneur, to have your own product or great idea. But thanks to these workshops, I learned that there are business models out there for complete beginners. I started as an affiliate partner, promoting other companies' products. All I needed to do is look around in my daily life which products I enjoy using, what I find useful, and start promoting those products. When other people buy them, I get commissions. It's that simple, that's it. I'm not saying it's easy, you still have to learn new skills, but the steps are very clear. Listen, if I could do it next to a busy family life with 2 children and a full-time job, so can you. And it's so worth it. My life has changed since. Today I can contribute to the care of my mother and see her live her life with the dignity she deserves. She lives abroad, but I can visit her often. Because my work is in my laptop, I can work from anywhere. As a matter of fact, we are buying a house in the south of France because I can work from there too. I don't have to wait for retirement to start enjoying the beautiful things in life. I truly believe that these workshops that change my life completely can help you too. Do yourself a favor, click on the link below and spend the next 30 minutes or so investing in yourself, in your future. One last thing, I would have never made it without the support of the community of digital entrepreneurs and mentors I've joined. They pulled me up every time I had difficulties with my website or I needed a more strategic guidance. They showed me how much value I have to give. They boosted my self-confidence and accelerated my journey. Join me in this powerful community of entrepreneurs. Watch the videos and we will take it from there. Take action.